Question number 2 in the homework quiz for Friday, October 2nd, 2009, asks us to find the median of a set of numbers. This is a measure of central tendency that we have been working with for quite a while, for several weeks now, a measure of central tendency. And what that means is, well, let's look at the question. It says, here are the ages of Jose and his cousins. 12, 4, 7, 5, 2, 15, 18, and 13. So we want to find the median of their ages. So about how old are Jose and his cousins? One way that we can answer the question of about how old are Jose and his cousins is to find the median. And the median means that we put the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. And let's do that. So 2 is the smallest age. Then there is a 4-year-old and a 5-year-old and a 7-year-old cousin. Those are some of the younger ones. Then we have some of those that are in their preteens, 12, 13, teenagers, and we have a 15-year-old and 18-year-old, some of the older cousins in the group of Jose and his cousins. So about how old are Jose and his cousins? We're going to find the median to answer that question for us. So let's go and see what is in the middle in this group of numbers that are now arranged from smallest to largest. Smallest number is 2. The largest is 18. Next smallest 4. Next largest 15. Next smallest 5. Next largest 13. What do we have in the middle are 2 numbers, 7 and 12. Now, we can't have 2 numbers for the median. We need to know what is in between 7 and 12. How can we do that? We can take and add 7 and 12 together and then divide that total by 2. That will help us to find what is in the middle. So let's go ahead and do just that. 7 plus 12 is 19. So 19 is the total of those 2 ages in the middle. Now let's divide that in half. Divide it by 2, 19, divided by 2, and that will tell us what is in the middle of 7 and 12. How many times does 2 go into 1? It doesn't. How many times does 2 go into 19? It goes 9 times. 9 times 2, 2 times 9 is 18, with 1 left over. Now, we're not going to use a remainder. Rather, we're going to go ahead and solve this as a decimal. So we can bring down this 0, that 10th 0, and now say how many times does 2 go into 10? It goes in 5 times. It goes in evenly. 5 times 2 is 10. And our work is done with that. So the answer is 9 5/10, or 9 1/2. 9 1/2 years old. What's the median of their ages? 9 1/2. That is the answer to question number 2. So go ahead and try the sample question for question number 2 so that you can practice this skill again yourself.